Shore Fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is what's up. Yeah, guys, I'm out of Mobay this weekend. I'm actually staying at a nice little ends this weekend, guys, and I came out to do some early morning lure fishing, guys. Stay tuned. We are out here shore fishing here, guys. We just made a quick pit stop, guys. It's not my normal fishing routine, but quick pit stop. I don't have all my lures out the car, guys. Come on, guy. I need to get lower. Let me get lower down here, guys. See if I can get out there. Get this fish in there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Got him. You on? Hola. Hold on there, hold on there. Let me take him off. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Lizard fish. You want to take a pic? Yeah. All right. Lizard fish. Yeah, they eat good. So, this is a lizard fish. They eat real good. They eat pretty good. When you fry these bad boys up, they eat really good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I'm gonna get a basin.
Let me get my bag and get my pliers. I'll be right back. Fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Damn. All right, I see you. I see you. Go for it. Go ahead. Let's get him back up. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Get out of that, man.
What are you catching?
Long jaw.
You gonna see that one?
Yeah, they'll see it. That's a high visibility lure. The color is like a peach pink. They love that pink, boy. I don't know why. They just love that bright color. See, fish on. Got him. Another one. Lizard fish. Striker! Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what's up. Hitting them like, whoa, in my white tee. We outside! Blood clot.
You are so ridiculous. You're just gonna give it to the girls.
I am. Hold on there, hold on there. I gotta. You gotta be careful because these hooks, they will splash your hook in you. You understand? So you have to be careful with them. Alright, that's it. I'm tired of you. Calm down. Alright, let's get you open. You were
Disturbing.
real hungry.
Out there, he probably has to go to his children. Probably have a wife.
Eyes up.
You don't think he has a wife?
Our husband.
Lizard fish. That's what's up.
Probably have a concubine.
That's what's up, guys. We didn't make a video this weekend.
Is it your door?
Yes, that's mine. Alright, I'm gonna aim for something bigger, guys. Outside, we say. Jamaican shore fishing. I make one look rockling nice in my water, you know. So they hear it. So the barrels like hearing it. You see them run to it? You see them run, hit it a while ago, right? You see them hit it a while ago. Let's get out there, guys. I know this was not in the plan at all. Alright, got y'all attention now.
If I hear you. I will. Is this little fishes right here?
Yeah, baby fish. Bait fish. That's why you'll have predatorial fish hanging around. Because of the bait fish. They hunt other fish. Yeah? Line? Fishing line? Yeah. Why, you want hooks and lines? You can take one line out of my bag, one reel in there, you can take a whole roll. Done, this is it. I'm gonna try to pick a barrel up real quick and move. Alright, I'm gonna switch up. Put on something more visible for them to see.
Them love the pink thing.
They love all kinds of stuff, but it's what you put on there that makes it work, right? I didn't intend to get sweaty today, guys, but it is what it is. Jamaican shore fishing is always at it. So see if we can kill something big. Oh dear. No, I gotta run it fast. This one. You gotta rip it through the water for the jackfish in the barrel. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Barrel hunting. Spoon lure, guys. You know my favorite lure. Let's scan this way and see what's up. Oh, there, guys. That's what's up. Oh, shit. Oh, man. No, now I just lost my lure because it touched the bottom. Now it's coming in now. Got loose. The damn wire hitched up around the top of this a while ago and snagged me. Whew! Thought I lost a good lure a while ago, boy. Get out there. You got hit a while ago, you know that, right? Yeah. Come on. Come on, where you guys at? Where you guys at? Alright, that's it for me, guys. Gonna say the last cast, last dance. No more fishing for the rest of the day today. I'm gonna give it one more shot, and that's it. Mr. Barra is not out here today, guys. He went on vacation. You know, there, man. He gone on vacation.